welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHeartAirbrush, and today we're just gonna dive into some makeup. Today's video, we're gonna be dipping into that airbrush and we're gonna be dipping into that traditional, because you know I've been into mixing mediums lately, and I think by now we all know that I can do a full face of airbrush makeup. So it's time to branch out just a little bit, you know, after like 6 years almost, okay, I think we need to branch out a little bit, start trying some of these amazing products that are coming out in traditional makeup. So that being said, I have the Friendcation palette from Dose of Colors, Desi X Katie, and then I also have the most popular highlighter released in their first collab, Fuego, that we're gonna go ahead and play with in conjunction with my Dinair Airbrush makeup. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this beautiful look using a little bit of airbrush and a little bit of traditional, then please keep on watching. Hello everyone. All right, as always, you want to start off with a nice clean canvas like so. Then you want to go ahead and conceal. So I'm going to be using Dinair Neutralize and Camoflauge line in the shades Honey Beige and Olive Beige mixed together, concealing the under eye, the lids, and all of my blemishes, of course. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply a base for the shadows using Dinair Glamour shade Sienna all over the lid. And then to ensure that I have a beautiful blend, I'm going to apply a transition shade using Dinair Glamour shade Fawn Brown just to the transition crease area. And now it's time for the Friendcation palette. So the first shade I'm going to be dipping into is this one here called Necessary, and I'm just going to go ahead and dust it over the transition crease area like so. Just emphasizing a nice, beautiful blend. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and dip into this lovely shade here, which is called Judo, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the socket of my lid. Staying nice and light. Yeah, I got them blending skills thanks to my beautiful sister. I'll have her channel linked down below if you want to learn a little something about that traditional makeup. Go ahead and check her out. Okay, now once I'm done applying churro, I'm going to be dipping into a deeper shade called Jeans, this beautiful rich chocolatey shade here. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some dimension to the lid just by dabbing this in to the natural fold of my lid and outer V like so, creating that beautiful shape before we go in and blend. Alright, and now the time has come. We gotta blend, 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 girl, because you know with traditional shadows you need to blend this, okay? It doesn't come out blended from the get-go like airbrush. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip back into churro and just ensure that everything is nice, blended, and cohesive. No harsh edges, just over the transition crease area and the natural fold like so. Now going in with just a kiss, I'm going to apply that to the lid using my fingers like so, and oh my gosh, this shade is freaking beautiful. Like honestly, it's just like the perfect size shimmers and like glitter particles in it. Like it just glimmers. It's so beautiful, and I know the camera's not doing it justice. Like it looks so beautiful, especially when the light hits it in person. So you know we're gonna dab this all over the lid like so to get it to pop real nice. Then I'm going to go back into Jeans, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to the outer corner of the lid and make sure everything is nice and cohesive. Okay, now that we have that cohesion, I'm going to go into Girl Bye, and I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line like so. These shades are super easy to blend, guys. Like, oh my gosh, it's like if I can do it, and I'm by no means a pro at blending traditional shadows, like I can only imagine what a person who's been doing traditional makeup for a long time can do with this palette. Next, I'm going in with a blush, and here I'm using Dinair Glamour shade Dark Peach Pink. And then it's time for foundation using Dinair Soft Glow shades Honey Beige and Nutmeg. And I did miss the footage for contour. So for the contour, you know your girl just used Dark Almond from the Glamour line. So now I'm going into brows, and here I'm using Dinair Color Brow shade Dark Smoke and my favorite 8C stencil, and I'm just filling in my brows like so. If you want an in-depth brow video, I will have that linked in the description box below. Now for airliner, I'm just using Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black. Once again, detailed video in the description box below. There's a lot of how-tos down there. I definitely recommend you go ahead and check out that description box. So now I'm just going to go ahead and dust some on the lower lash line like so. Nice cohesion with the liner all the way around. Now into Fuego. Yes, this shade is so
beautiful, and honestly I did not get what the hype was about it when it first was released, and so I decided to go ahead and just cave and get it now since I was getting the Funcation palette. And oh my god, look at this, look at this. Yes, this is the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie Fuego highlighter that everybody raves about. It is life. If you have not tried this highlighter, I definitely recommend that you try it. You are missing out on something freaking amazeballs, okay? So definitely go ahead and pick up this highlighter. So I'm just going to highlight all the high points of my face. As you can see, I'm going to go a little crazy with it because this highlighter is freaking beautiful, even more beautiful than I anticipated. So I'm going to get the brow bone, the cheekbone, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow. I'm going to put it all over my face to get that nice glow, girl. Yes, I'm so glad I picked it up. Then I'm going to go ahead and set everything using my Scandinavia Bridal Makeup Finishing Spray. I absolutely love this spray. And then I'm going to go in with Mary Kay Lash Lift Mascara. It's my absolute fave. And just coat the lashes like so. And now for the lips, I'm just taking Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in the shade All Natural. I'm just going to go ahead and line the lips and give it a good fill. Then I'm going to take Laura Geller Nude Kisses Shade Tan Lines and fill the lips in like so. Get that nice shine to them lips. And then you know your girl's gonna do her hair and reveal the finished look.
So this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I absolutely love how this look came out. Like, oh my gosh, it's so freaking beautiful. I freaking love this palette. Like, honestly, if you're gonna invest in a palette, like, and you know, I'm all airbrush, so when I invest in a palette, I feel like, you know, it's really gotta amaze me. I got to feel it so much. And you know what, I just, from the moment I saw this freaking Funcation palette, I just knew like I needed to have this palette. And like when I saw it in person and now that I applied it to my eyes, like honestly, I am so freaking glad that I invested in this palette. And I definitely recommend that you go ahead and invest in it too before it's gone, y'all, because you know these collabs be going hella fast. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Yes, a little more upbeat than the last couple of videos that I posted, but you know what, we getting better. We getting better. Life is getting better. Things are getting better. Our viewpoint is getting better. So we're just gonna keep on going, okay? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video enjoyable, entertaining, or informative, then just go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It helps me so much. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are subscribed, or if you choose to subscribe today, don't forget to click that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. All right, loves, thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next one.